Hi, I'm Amanda Kuo for AVEN Tools. Today we'd like to give you an in-depth look at our new line of wire crimping tools. The patented design of AVEN's wire crimpers allows for easy die replacement, with no tools required to remove dies. Simply slide the dies out and snap in a new set. This is particularly convenient for jobs that require multiple crimp styles. These tools are designed to provide a perfect crimp for wire ferrules, cord end terminals, insulated terminals, and heat shrink butt connectors. The handles are rubberized for a comfortable grip, and the ratchet mechanism makes crimping very easy on the hands. The handles also include a quick release lever in case of jamming or if a crimp needs to be redone. Now, let's see AVEN's wire crimpers in action. To use these tools, you will need to have some supplies on hand. You'll need a wire, a set of wire strippers with correct gauges, the terminal or ferrules required for the job, and in many cases, you'll need a set of wire cutters. To crimp cord end terminals, AVEN offers 3 wire crimper models: 10178, 10179, and 10187, all with varying gauge sizes. First, place the cord terminal into the correct slot in the die and slowly close the crimping tool. Stop closing when the terminal is lightly secured. Then slide your wire all the way in and hold it in place. Finally, completely close the crimper to crimp the terminal to the wire. The ratchet mechanism will automatically release when the crimp is complete. Wire crimpers 10188 and 10189 are designed to crimp insulated terminals. Place the insulated terminal into the die. Again, lightly close the crimper until the terminal is lightly secured. Slide the wire all the way in and close all the way. And lastly, item number 10190 is designed to use heat shrink connectors to connect 2 wires together. The concept is very similar. Place the wire into the heat shrink connector and then crimp over the wire. Add in the wire to the other side and crimp that side. Now to finish that connection, apply heat with a heat gun to shrink the plastic over the wire. AVEN Tools offers each interchangeable crimping die separately. For more information, visit aventools.com.